Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to calculate percentage Google Sheets. Open your file in Google Spreadsheets to see the content. Now, in the desired cell, enter the equal sign, select the initial cell, then add the division symbol and choose the second cell. When you press enter, you will see the percentage of those values. Google Sheets offers you the option to autocomplete if you wish. Then select the cell and click on the icon, Format % so that the value is in this format. You can drag that style to the other cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.